all these cases will likely move quickly. Don't listen to anyone who says the case is a slam dunk on either side. The mandate's a novel question. And the Supreme Court decides to hear it, which they will. I can't imagine it being anything closer than, it'd be 5-4 decision somehow. It'd be close. There are a couple of cases I didn't mention dealing with like gun-free school zone acts and whatever, and Violence Against Women Act, where the Supreme Court, you dealt with a criminal law, completely non-economic activities, and really very far, completely removed from commerce. And in those couple of those cases, the Supreme Court said the Commerce Clause is being stretched too far. But there are still 4 justices in those pretty extreme cases that said that Congress did have the power under the Commerce Clause to regulate criminal activities that really were so far removed from commerce. If they're willing to go that far, there's a pretty good chance they're willing to say, you know what, regulating an activity sounds good to us. You might get at least 4 votes. So I think it's a very tough question how the Supreme Court will rule on this. Also, you've got to be concerned that the Supreme Court may be a tad bit deferential to Congress on a question like this. Might be a little scared of striking down this law. Yes, there was Bush versus Gore, so they do tend to get into political issues to some extent. But that's not something working in this case's favor.